The latest in the chapter in the Karen Read saga heads to the state's highest court today.
So it will hear arguments in Read's bid to dismiss two of her criminal charges, including murder. NBC 10's Lauren Melendez live in the newsroom. Lauren, this decision will impact her second trial.
Oh, no doubt. Look, today marks the beginning of almost a fork in the road for Karen Read. The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court will hear these oral arguments from both the defense and the prosecution about this. I want to remind you of these charges she's facing: second-degree murder, leaving the scene of a crash, causing injury or death, manslaughter as well while operating under the influence of alcohol. Read's attorneys, they are adamant that she is innocent. They believe this picture prosecutors are painting of her backing into her boyfriend John O'Keefe and then leaving him to die during that blizzard is a cover-up story. Now, during the trial, her defense highlighted gross negligence on the part of Canton PD. That was the agency that responded on that January 2022 night, but also misconduct from the Mass State Police Department, who led that murder investigation. Now, ultimately, her defense says members of the deadlocked jury came forward on their own and admitted they were prepared to acquit Read on everything but manslaughter. So her lawyers, they want those other charges tossed out, including murder, for this retrial. I want to get to the arguments today. We can expect the prosecution to double down on their mistrial message. They believe Read is guilty of driving drunk that night, backing her SUV into O'Keefe, and then just leaving. They also argue that Read's lawyers missed their window to object to this mistrial, and she needs to be held on all three charges. Now, the arguments begin at 9 this morning. Though we are still in the very beginning of a long journey to this mistrial, both Read's lawyers and the state have asked for it to be delayed all the way until April. In the newsroom, I'm Lauren Melendez.
Thank you, Lauren, for our extended coverage of the Karen Read murder trial. You can just scan that QR code on your screen, or you could go to NBC10boston.com/Karen Read.